To reserve a printer to print your bone, go to the class 3D Printing Assignment webpage and scroll down to the Reserve a Printer section. Click the picture of the 3D printer and you'll be taken to a login page for the 3D printer reservation calendar. Type in the password given to you by the instructor and then click Open. Choose the day you want to reserve a printer. Let's say I want to print on Monday the 11th. I click that day, type in my name. You're not going to reserve the printer all day, so you can uncheck that and then choose the time that you want to print. Let's say I'm going to print from 11 to 12. Now I have an estimate of how long my print will take. If I'm printing cervical C1, for instance, the estimated print time for that bone is 22 minutes. So I'll allow an hour to accommodate setup time and cleanup time after the print is finished. Next, in the printer section, click and choose the printer that you want to use. You're going to be using the Finders, the red printers. So pick a printer from that list. If you accidentally pick a printer that has already been reserved by somebody else, you'll receive an error message saying that it's not available, in which case go in and select the next printer. Once your printer is selected, click Save, and your printer is now reserved. You can reserve printers well in advance, and if you need to cancel a reservation, go ahead and log into the calendar, click on your reservation, and select Delete. To know which printers are available, you can hover over existing reservations and see that in this case, Finder number 1 is reserved. So if I want to reserve another printer, I would not choose Finder 1. I would choose the next one that's available and enter my time, my name, and click Save, and so on. So that's the printer reservation process.